Rogers Ignite boxes, also known as Rogers Xfinity boxes, receive automatic updates to enhance features, security, and streaming quality. These updates happen overnight between 2 and 5 a.m. local time to minimize disruption. First, press the Rogers button on your remote to access the main menu. This brings up the navigation interface on your TV screen. Next, navigate to the Settings menu using your remote's directional pad. From Settings, select the System option to access system-related functions. Then choose System Update to access update options. Select Check for Updates. Make sure your box is connected to the internet for the check to work properly. If an update is available, follow the on-screen prompts to download and install. This typically takes 5 to 15 minutes. The box may restart automatically during the update. After the update completes, confirm the new firmware version by going to Settings, then System, then About. Restarting your Rogers Ignite box can resolve common issues like buffering or frozen screens. There are several ways to restart. First is a soft restart. Go to Settings, System, Restart. This is the recommended first step. Second, a hard restart, power cycle. Unplug the box from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This is useful for persistent problems. And lastly, a remote restart. Use the Rogers app or website to reboot the box remotely. This requires you to log into your account. Remember, avoid interrupting updates and maintain a minimum internet speed of 25 megabit per sec for smooth updates. These steps will help keep your Ignite box running smoothly.